Hello, my name is Sarah from quantumhearthypnosis.net, and thank you for joining me in this Back to Basics guided meditation. Having more control over our thoughts and mind is a very powerful ability. When we practice meditating, we're learning to be more aware of our thoughts and ultimately have greater control over our minds. This can really be achieved through developing a regular practice of meditation. In this meditation, I will give the basic guidelines and principles to help develop the core of a meditation practice. So allow yourself to release any expectations for what you're going to encounter in the next few minutes, and we'll go step by step as I guide you through the process. So let's begin by getting into a super relaxing position, sitting comfortably with your back straight, hands resting gently on your lap or at your sides, palms facing up to receive. As you close your eyes, you begin to notice the rise and fall of your ribs and belly as you breathe. You notice the heaviness in your limbs as they relax, feeling the surface below you, feeling the weight of your body, the weight of the gravity holding you to your seat. Allow your body to soften and relax. Feel your muscles and joints loosen, releasing any tension or tight spots that you're holding in the body. As we continue through this meditation, allow yourself to flow along with my words. Effortless continuation of your mental presence. And give yourself permission now to stop planning the future. No reliving the past. Just be right here, right now, present in this moment, just for a little while. Just be. Breathing in and as you breathe, you begin to notice areas in your body that feel tense or uncomfortable. On your next breath in, imagine your breath as a white light and feel it surge all through your body, washing through the places where you carry tension or pain. And as you exhale, the tension and the pain follows your breath out of your body, leaving you more relaxed and at peace. Take another deep breath in and a long, slower breath out. Feel your shoulders relax more. The little muscles around your eyes soften. And your breath fills up your body. You can feel your belly expand with the breath as you relax so fully. And you might become hyper aware of anything else happening in the room. But if your focus shifts, just direct your attention back towards yourself. Just go back to your breathing. When you breathe in, count to 4 and breathe out on the count of 5, making the out-breath a little longer than the in-breath, emptying the lungs completely. Focus on counting your breaths for a few times. We spend so much of our time and lives focusing on things outside of ourselves. Deadlines, tasks, and other people's expectations can fill our minds and consciousness, leaving us no room to be centered and at peace. Focusing your attention on your breath is one of the fastest and simplest methods to bring you into sync with the present moment. Throughout this process, when thoughts or problems start to creep into your mind, simply acknowledge them and release them, returning to the breath, breathing in peace and light, breathing out thoughts and worries. When you are finished with this meditation, you will remember everything in your life that you need to do. So there is no need to grab on to any thought right now. This is your time to be at peace and relaxed, free from the demands of your daily life. Allow your breath to be your focus as you slip into a deeper state of peace and comfort. Allow your own feelings and thoughts to rise up inside you. Be attentive. Listen to what your body and mind and spirit are trying to show you. And then see those feelings and thoughts slipping away out into the universe, letting go of all expectations, bringing yourself into a deep sense of stillness where you can be open to your own inner wisdom. Breathing in long, full breaths. Exhaling long, complete breaths as you exist fully present in this moment. With every breath in, you sink deeper into a state of relaxation and stillness. This is the heart of meditation. Give yourself a moment to recognize the feelings that you're holding within right now, and then return to your breath. Listen to the rhythm of your breath and the sounds of the world around you, observing them with detachment, letting thoughts and sensations flow through you as easily as a stream flows down the mountainside. Feeling a deep sense of calm fill you up for the next few moments. Allow yourself to simply be in this space. What do you feel right now? What insights or realizations presented themselves to you during this process? Notice the way your body feels. You might be more light, more refreshed, more calm. Take a moment to recognize how at peace you feel in this moment. Take a moment to feel the gratitude you have for having achieved this meditative state here today. Thank you so much for meditating with me, and have a beautiful, blessed day.